starting somewhere new, feeling lost and alone, going through big changes, trying to cope on your own. Change is good, we have to move on, but it's hard to feel confident when you keep getting things wrong. Change is exciting, but can also cause fear. But it's a natural part of life, and help is near. If your thoughts are in a tangle and you need to confide, don't feel alone, there's someone on your side. Things feel bewildering, confusing, and strange, but give yourself time to get used to the change. Knowing someone's there for you, who'll listen day and night, means you can fly through uncertainties to a future that's bright.